These are just really cheap plastic things. You can see it's just plastic.
Lampshade on the head.
And so what we say is, in fact, what you could do is simply just drill a hole in them, or you can put a hook on the bottom. The problem is if they're see-through, you can see the hooks when they go onto the wall.
Why don't you drill the hole, and then we're going to have Daniel do the actual artwork.
So we're going to drill a hole so that we can actually mount it directly to the wall. But you'll notice it doesn't have that color variation that you like. You want to see something that's got a little bit of variation. So why don't you actually do the coloring for us?
All right.
While I drill this.
What's your favorite color? What would you say? Purple, you have green, or you can even do a mix. You want to do a mix?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. This is all you have to do. So if you look at this middle part right here, what we can do is a little spray in the middle, and then we can do a little bit around the rim, and you do whatever pattern you want. If you look on the wall behind you, you can actually see it can be more fun if you wanted to have it in a kid's play area, or you can have something that looks a little bit more elegant. So just give a little push to the top there. It doesn't have to be a lot. There you go. Let's do a little more.
What did you do?
There you go, a little more. There you go. See, you got a little in there.
You know the great thing about art? You can't screw up, because especially with paint, if you do it a little bit too heavy, just spray it somewhere else, get another plate.
Yeah, not a
nice
big deal.
No.
Hey, do you guys remember the first time you DIY'd something as kids?
Oh,
how old are you?
Absolutely.
9.
9? Oh, you're a late starter. We were 7 years old when we started.
7 years
So,
old.
yeah, my parents used to go out, so they'd leave us with the babysitter, and when they would come back, we'd cleared all the furniture out of the room, and we'd rearranged everything. Your parents love it, so I encourage you to do that every time they leave you with a babysitter.
So I have an example here of one that we had done here. So we just spray a little in the middle, different color on the outside, and then you just take it like Jonathan is.
Drill a hole in the wall. You can use the wing clips that grab onto the drywall, mount it on the wall, spray the nut the same color, hide it a little, and you've just dressed up your wall a little
And if you
bit.
don't
pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty cool. If you don't want to put a hole in your wall, if you do a little bit thicker color here, you can actually hide one of the adhesives on the back, so it won't damage your wall either.
That's a good tip. If you paint it a little deeper, you can hide the adhesives that go on the back of them.
Moving along.
Right. Okay.